So here's how to create Pinterest templates on Canva and sell on Etsy. Before we start, you can try out Canva Pro with my link in the description. Canva Pro is the premium version of the online graphic design platform Canva, offering access to a wider range of features, templates, and media. So first of all, let's check out the plans and pricing section on this page. So click on Plans and Pricing on the top, and then click on Compare Pricing. You will then be taken to this page right here. You will get to see all their available plans, starting with Canva Free, Canva Pro, and Canva Teams. You can also view the plans as yearly and monthly. And below each of the plans, you will get to see all the features that they offer, and you can compare between them to choose your preferred one. Now, let's scroll up to the top and click on Login. If you don't have an account, click on my link down in the description to get yours. So as you can see, we're now in the Canva dashboard. Over here, you can see all of these sections that you can utilize. But for now, click on Create a Design. After that, click on the search bar and search for Pinterest. And you will get to see all of these options to choose from. Let's go ahead and select Pinterest Pin, but you can select whichever one that you want. After that, you will get to see all of these templates on the left panel. Scroll through them and select the one that you like. You can also use the search bar if you want, but for now, I will go with this one over here. So after selecting the template, you can edit all the default elements right here. If you go over to the left, you will get to see all of these sections starting with Design, and then we have Elements. Here, you can scroll through and add any element to your template. Now, let's go ahead and click on Text. From this section, you can add a text to your template. You can also scroll through in order to choose from the presets. Then we have Brand on the left. After that, there's Uploads. You can use this feature to upload your own media. Then we have Tools, and after that, Projects. Lastly, we have Apps. But for now, let's move on to our template. Here, if you select the text and click on the font option on the top, you will get to see all the font options on the left panel. You can also adjust the size of your text and even change the color. Now, let's click on Share on the top right corner. After that, you will get to see this drop-down menu. On the Collaboration Link section, you can select anyone with the link, and on the right, you can choose from any of these options. After that, click on Copy Link. Now click on Download right here. Then, set the file type from these options. I will go with PNG and click on Download. After that, just give it some time to load up and it will start downloading onto your computer. And as you can see, it's now being downloaded. And once it's done downloading, you will find it in your device. Now click on the Share button again. After that, click on the three dots and click on Template Link. Then, over here, click on Create Template Link. Now click on Copy to copy the template link. Once you're done, open another tab and go to Etsy.com. Here, you need to create an account or sign in to your existing account. I will click on Sign In. Then, you can sign in with your email and password or click on Continue with Google. Then, choose your account and continue. After that, you will be logged into your Etsy account. Give it some time to load up. As you can see, we're now logged into our account. Click on Account on the top right and then select Sell on Etsy from the drop-down menu. You will then be redirected to this page. Click on Get Started. Then, you will get to see something like this. Over here, you need to click on Let's Do This right here. On this page, you need to select what brings you to Etsy. So I'll select I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. Then click Next. On this page, select what you need help with, such as selling online. Then click on Next. Now, click on Start Your Shop. You will then be taken to this page right here. Select your shop preferences, such as shop language, and then you need to select shop country from all of these options. So once you're done selecting your country, set your shop currency from all of these options. Then click on Save and Continue on the bottom right corner. Now, you need to enter your shop name right here. So put in a unique name that your customers can remember. And as you can see, this name is already taken. You will get to see some suggestions on the bottom. You can choose from those if you want. Then click on Save and Continue on the bottom. So once you're here on this page, you need to select the type of item you want to sell, such as physical or digital files. Then on Who Made It, select I Did. After that, set What is it and when was it made. So you can choose from these options. I will choose Made to Order from the options. After that, select Created by Me on how is this digital content created. Then you can also add production partners if you want. Just fill in the details and click on Save. Then click on Save and Continue on the bottom right corner. Now once you're here on this section, you can add more details about your product. So start with the title. So I will go ahead and type in the title of my product. Make sure to put in a relevant name. Once done, go over to the Photos and Video section. Click on Add and select the template from your device. As you can see, it's now being uploaded and it's done. If you want to add multiple photos or videos, you can do that as well. Now scroll down to the description section and put in a description for your product. Make sure to put in a detailed description in a way that reflects your product. You can also click on Add Personalization to get more options. For now, we will remove that. Then, you need to put in your price and inventory over here. Type in the inventory and your price. Then, on the variation section, you can add variations for your product. Then we have tags and attributes. Here, you can put in relevant tags for your product. So type in your desired tags and click on Add on the right. This way, you can add multiple tags. Then, go over to Materials. If you want, you can add materials just like tags. So once you're done, scroll down to Details. Here, you can change the details if you want, and also choose Category right below it. After that, we have Shipping, but since this is a digital product, there's no option. Then, you can set a shop location if you want. After that, go through the other options and set them up according to your preference. Once you're done, click on Save and Continue on the bottom. Now, if you want, you can also click on Add More Listings on the bottom right to add additional listings. Over here, let's just click on Save and Continue on the bottom. After that, you'll be redirected to this page right here. Here, you need to set up how you will be getting paid on Etsy. So choose the location of your bank first. Then for tax purposes, choose if you're an individual or business. I will select individual. Then scroll down a bit further and give them some more details about yourself, such as your country of residence. Then put in your first and last name over here. After that, you need to put in your date of birth. Once you're done, you need to put in your taxpayer address. So put in the address over here carefully. After that, scroll down further, and in the bank information section, you need to put in all of these information. And once you're done, all you need to do is click on Save and Continue on the bottom. Then finish up the next steps, and you will be ready to sell your Canva templates on Etsy. And that is exactly how to create Pinterest templates on Canva and sell them on Etsy.